Hello, fellow CGU students. This is Sarah Jane, and I am with the Claremont Graduate University Career Development Office. And today we're going to learn about how to make an appointment. So, much like any other department on campus, through services, you're going to need to make an appointment with us. We do see students who stop by, but generally we need you to have an appointment because we may or may not have time to meet with you, or we may be in a meeting. So, to make an appointment, you go to the Career Center tab and scroll down to Appointments. Next, you'd want to schedule a new appointment. You want to decide which one of these best represents you. I'm a doctoral student, and then one of these are going to fit whatever you want to work on. If this doesn't exactly fit what you are interested in working on for that day, that's totally fine. Choose the one that closest represents you, and then you can send an email directly to the person that you're going to meet with to give them a little bit more information. So let's say that I would like to schedule a mock interview. So it says then for tomorrow, these are the days that are going to be available, and these are the times and who it's with. So both of the appointments are with IV, and they're for a mock interview. I can then scroll to Thursday, and I have appointments available with Michelle. Friday, Michelle, and then I can scroll down to the next week, which you will see here we have appointments with Malcolm, with Ivy, with Michelle. It also goes to show that if you are trying to swing by and not have an appointment, note that most of the times are already taken up and scheduled. So we will be meeting with other students during that time. Not to say that we don't love to see you and have you, and you can always stop by the office and grab some treats, grab some coffee, hang out, bring your friends or other colleagues, other students, do some study sessions in here. We just want to make sure that we have time reserved for you. Cool? Again, you can change these different topics, right? So if you want to, say, make an appointment with me, you can do staff member Sarah Jane. I don't have any appointments available as I am booked with other things, but you can scroll down to see when I will have an appointment, as I am super booked for recently. But if I wanted to do, let's say, Handshake tutorial, then I have more appointments available. Cool? All right, and then you can do, depending on your appointment medium, we require that the first appointment is face-to-face. After that, if we are working on the same document, we can either meet Skype, FaceTime, email, or phone chat. Cool? All right, and then once you have made an appointment, so let's say I want to make an appointment with Michelle for tomorrow. It's going to say face-to-face appointment again. Email is not available for the first time, and then it's not available for the first time again, and you have to meet with them in person. This is going to where you are going to explain a little bit more about what we can help you with. Make sure to be detailed. Is this your first time? What describes you? What's your expected graduation date? And then what do you hope to accomplish during this time? So face-to-face, this is not my first time. Let's say that I am in my 4th year. I am unsure about my graduation date, as dissertations take their own time. And then this is, whoa, my friends. The semester is getting real already. So then I request test, and then I request, and it loads, and I have successfully created an appointment. It is with Michelle, so I can email Michelle directly. It is important to have this accessible, because then I can email Michelle and I can say, here's the document that I want us to look over, here's the link to the job that I want to do a mock interview for, or the job that I want to write my resume for, here's the internship that I'm looking at, so that we have all the information possible so that we can have the most fruitful, most productive meeting with you. Cool? And then I don't save it. Cool. All right, that's it. So I hope that everything is going well for this semester and that this was helpful. You will also have a notification when you get your appointment made, and then it will tell you that you have this appointment. Make sure that you look for the surveys before and after so that we can get information about you as a student and how we're doing as a team. All right, have a good semester, and I will see you next time.